Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol INAP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move, not only today, but also yesterday. So let's map out some of these levels of support, and then we'll talk about areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above $2.95, that would make things look very powerful. Now, if the price does drop below that level, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, best case scenario, definitely staying up above $2.95. Next level of support after that, down here at this point, and that sits at $2.70. So near term, $2.95, $2.70. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. I realize it's way down there and the price is way up there, but the key word there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move its way upwards. And I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people, because that's essentially what it becomes, is it's going to be a trend line that draws itself for you. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to keep on doing in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to keep on increasing, and that's what truly strong moves do, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they kind of insult your intelligence. So case in point, very simplistic way to look at this. As long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? At this point, pretty straightforward. The party essentially stopped today right up there around the $3.20 mark. So going into next week, public any number one right there at $3.10. Now, if the price doesn't break above that, I don't want to come across like that means it was a bad day, because at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building these higher lows, then the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.